severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County, southwestern Hocking County, southern Pickaway County, northern Ross County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of New Holland, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Circleville, Kingston, Logan Elm Village, Frankfort, Stoutsville, Laurelville, Clarksburg, Adelphi, Tarleton, Buena Vista in the Hocking County, Andersonville, Lauderdale, Austin, Whistler, Pickaway County Airport, Hallsville, and Plano. Here is a special weather statement.